monster truck crash. Today we're gonna crash through 7 colored tile towers. We have red and orange, yellow, green, pink, purple, and a big blue tower. Stay till the end because we're gonna run this monster truck through all 7 colored towers. But first, let's build.
Construction with Kyle.
Hey! Now let's build the red tower. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now, let's back our monster truck up here. I'm gonna back them up there. And ready? On your mark. Get set. Ready, go! Whoa! That just took out the red tower. Next is the orange tower. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 pieces. Look at that awesome orange tower. Now we'll get our monster truck out and we'll back it up. Backing him up here. On your mark, get set, ready, go! Whoa! Right through the orange tower. Now we're gonna build a yellow tower. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. We're gonna move this one over here and let's get our monster truck. That was an awesome yellow tower. We're gonna back up the monster truck, up the ramp, and on your mark, get set, ready, smash! Whoa, right through the yellow tower. Now we're gonna build a green tower. Okay, let's see if we can make this one really tall from just these few little pieces that we have. And there. Whoa, this tower is gonna be great. That's a good looking green tower. We're gonna back up our monster truck. Here it comes, up the ramp. Are you guys ready? On your mark, get set, ready, crash! Whoa, right through the green tower. Now we only have 3 more towers left to go. We're gonna build a nice pink tower. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 7 tiles on the pink tower. We're gonna back it up. Here we go, backing our monster truck up this awesome ramp. And are you guys ready to smash the pink tower? Here we go, on your mark. Get set, ready, and go! Whoa, right through the pink tower. Now we're gonna build a purple one and then a really big blue one. Let's get our purple tiles. Okay, here we go with our purple tiles. And we'll see, we don't have too many of these, but we'll make it as tall as we can. And what do you think we can do with that one? Wow, look at this tower. Okay, let's get our monster truck ready to crush this purple tower. We're gonna back it up here. And let's count down 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Whoa, right through the purple tower. Now let's build our biggest tower yet, the blue tower. Here we have a lot of tiles, so let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, wow. 9, 10, it's getting really tall. 11, and 12. I've got one more I'll put right on the side. Look at this awesome blue tower. Let's get ready to smash it. Let's get our monster truck over here and we're gonna back it up our ramp. And we're ready to smash the blue tower. On your mark, get set, ready, and smash! Wow, that was great. Now let's build all 7 towers and see if we can smash through them all at the same time. Now it's time for the final crash. Let's go through the colors one more time. We have red, orange, yellow, green, pink, purple, and a giant blue tower. Now let's back up our monster truck up the ramp. Are you guys ready to crush all of these? Let's count down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Whoa! That was awesome! We just crushed all the colored tiles. I can't wait to build again with you guys next time. See you then.